Hi, I'm Tim Bader from Tim Bader Online, and today I'm continuing a new video series with an introduction to the spiritual gifts. In my last video, I mentioned 3 areas where the church operates: word, works, and wonders. In most churches, friends and neighbours traditionally get saved and discipled through reading and understanding the Bible, the Word, and through receiving physical help, care, comfort, and friendship. These are the works. We usually get into the Word in worship meetings on a Sunday and in our local home groups. The works may happen through various clubs and social action programs run by members of your congregation. These are all good, positive activities. Indeed, they're vital to the success of the church, and frequently they're the lifeblood of any local community. People getting saved and growing in their faith only happens when Holy Spirit operates through that Bible teaching and through those relationships. And it's possible to do all of it without reference to wonders. In other words, without the spiritual gifts. However, spiritual gifts can be the icing on the cake. The result of a spiritual gift, such as healing through prayer, brought to bear at just the right moment, directs people by the shortest route possible into God's presence. It shows that He is active in our lives and gives them a personal encounter with the Lord that you don't quite get through other means. Of course, people absolutely do connect with God through the Bible and through social action. So why should we be bothered about spiritual gifts? Because spiritual gifts add another dimension to the whole thing. Spiritual gifts demonstrate God's power in such a way that makes people realize it can only be God Himself who is at work through you. It's how we connect living people with a living God in witness and personal relationship. Spiritual gifts don't stand on their own, but when utilised as part of your church's strategy for evangelism and discipleship, they can make all the difference. As individuals, we are each given a part to play. Not everyone will be gifted in a particular area, but a healthy church will have a good spread of people across each of the areas of word, works, and wonders. My question for you today is, in which of those 3 areas are you actively involved, and what steps will you take to grow in it? If you like this video, leave your answer to my question in the comments below. Check out timbaderonline.com where you can find more like it, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit that like button and subscribe. It encourages me that people are touched by my work, and it helps to grow the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for next time when I'll discuss spiritual gifts in more detail. Spend time with Jesus this week and be blessed.